Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube error if it is saying no connection. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the YouTube application, but when you open up the application or try to watch a video, then you notice an error telling you that there is no connection, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, check that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. And then, if your internet connection is working just fine, then this is not the culprit. So the next step is to check whether your YouTube application is up to date. Open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store and then tap on the search box. Now type in YouTube and start the search. And from the search results, when you tap on YouTube, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates. Just go ahead and tap on this button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. When it is done, you will see the open button once again. So open your application and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the YouTube application and then tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear cache first at the bottom right and then tap on clear data at the bottom left menu and then tap on the delete button. After you do this step, check if your YouTube application is working now. Open up the YouTube application and now your YouTube should be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the error for the YouTube application if it keeps on saying no connection. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.